Welcome to Park Info. I'm Gary Biskowski. I work for the Hoffman Estates Park District. We're here with Jack Pizzo from Pizzo Associates, who's considered one of the foremost experts in the Chicagoland area in the Midwest on the art of restoration of natural areas. Jack, are all plants the same? What are invasive species? I've heard a lot about them and the problems they cause.
Yes, so an invasive species is a plant that could either be native to this area or non-native to the United States. And an invasive species is one that grows out of control and can literally be like a bully on the playground. So for example, cattails are a native plant, but when they get into a wetland, they completely block everything else out and do not let other plants grow. Then there's also plants like Phragmites or buckthorn that were introduced from other parts of the world that end up doing that same thing. There's nothing that really eats them, nothing that controls them, and they cause the area to go from diverse and floral with plants and animals in it to being a monoculture of one species. Then they can also cause problems like soil erosion, where their roots don't hold the soil in place like a complex mix of native plants. So invasive species are a real problem in our area.
Jack, if you have invasive species, how do you get rid of them?
Well, there's a plant here that's in flower now. It's called white sweet clover, and there's two ways to get rid of it. One is to actually physically pull it out of the ground. The other is to wait until it's right at flowering, and then you mow it. We do use herbicides, and the reason we use them is because there's some species that can't be controlled any other way. But our goal is always to get to no herbicide use, and we use the herbicides that are the least minimal impact on the environment.
Thanks, Jack.
Mm-hmm.